बोले के भाई बम, बोले के भाई रसगुल्ले, अरे बोले के भाई बम, बोले के भाई बम।
Right now I am at Bhagwati Nagar, Jammu, Baba Barfani's base camp, from where the Baba Barfani Yatra will start today. You can clearly see the enthusiasm between the people of the country. They have came from the different states of the country. They are chanting Bam Bam Bole. They have came from the different states over here. We will talk to them what they have to say on the yatra regarding Baba Barfani. आज बाबा बर्फानी की यात्रा को लेकर कितने उत्साहित है?
दिल में बहुत आनंद है कि हम पहले जत्थे में जा पा रहे हैं, बाबा के दर्शन कर पा रहे हैं। दिल में बहुत सुकून है। बाबा का आशीर्वाद पूरे इंडिया पे भी, भारत पे ऐसा ही बना रहे।
कोई डर कोई खौफ?
सर कोई डर नहीं है। यहाँ के प्रशासन ने बहुत अच्छी सुविधाएं दी है। मैं अपने आर्मी का, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने इतना भरोसा दिलाया है। इतनी बड़ी संख्या में वो हमारी रक्षा के लिए यहाँ पे तैनात है। मैं बहुत बड़ा, हमारी पूरे महाराष्ट्र की ओर से मैं बहुत बड़ा शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ उनको।
पहली बार आए हैं दर्शन के लिए?
पहली बार आए हो सर, पहली बार आए हो।
कैसे व्यवस्था लग रही है?
प्रशासन ने बहुत ही अच्छे से व्यवस्था किया, इसलिए बहुत सुकून है, बेखौफ है हम लोग।
कुछ गाना चाहेंगे बाबा बर्फानी के लिए?
जरूर सर। हमारे मराठी में सर महादेव जी के लिए प्यारा गाना है, वो हम आपके लिए प्रस्तुत करेंगे। हे भोळ्या शंकरा, हे भोळ्या शंकरा, आवड तुला बेलाची रे, आवड तुला बेलाची रे, बेलाच्या पानाची। हे भोळ्या शंकरा, हे भोळ्या शंकरा।
There are two routes to pay obedience when it comes to the Baba Barfani Yatra, Baltal route and the Pahalgam route. What we are learning is that on the daily basis, 10,000 people from the Baltal, 10,000 people from the Pahalgam route will be allowed. And right now you can see the people are very much excited to pay the obedience at Shrine Cave. Right now I am inside the bus in which LG Manoj Sinha has flagged out for the Baba Barfani Yatra. You can see the enthusiasm and the excitement among the pilgrims for the darshan of Holy Cave. This is the first batch which have been flagged out by the Jammu and Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha. You can see they are chanting Bam Bam Bole. They are chanting Har Har Mahadev, and this is the excitement among the pilgrims, and they are clearly saying that हमें बोला ने बुलाया है, हम दर्शन कर कर ही वापस जाएंगे. This is the excitement among the people. We will talk to them, but yes, this is the bus which have been flagged off by the LG Manoj Sinha. We will talk to them. How much excited you are?
आई एम वेरी सो मच एक्साइटेड टू गो। और मैं तो ये कहूँगी सबको यहाँ पे आना चाहिए और बाबा बर्फानी के दर्शन करने चाहिए। अरेंजमेंट तो सिक्योरिटी यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे है और हमारे जो सारे जो हमको लेकर आए हैं उन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छे फैसिलिटीज करवाई है।
You are going first time?
Yes, I'm going for the first time.
How you plan this trip?
My dad told me that we are going. My dad is actually associated with the organizer of the group, and so he told me to come, and I said, yeah, okay. If we are going on the first day, so it's really good.
How is the arrangement over here?
So much good. बहुत अच्छा है सब कुछ।
खुश है आप लोग?
बहुत ज्यादा। So
पहले दर्शन आप करेंगे, उत्साहित है?
हाँ बहुत सही।
पहली बार जा रहे हैं?
यस।
So look at these people, they are chanting Bam Bam Bole. This is the first batch which is going for Baba Barfani Yatra, and right now we are inside the bus which are traveling towards the Srinagar. What we are learning is that from Baltal route and the Pahalgam route per day 10,000 pilgrims will be allowed on the track, and the administration is believing that more than 5 lakh people will come to Jammu and Kashmir to pay the obedience at Shrine Cave. Security has been tightened for Sri Amarnath Ji Yatra. Right now I am in the Bhagwati Nagar base camp where you can see, these are the specialized commandos who are being responsible for the Yatra convoy. These are the brave hearts, and you can see these are the special commandos of the CRPF who will take over this Yatra from Jammu Bhagwati Nagar base camp to the Banihal, and after that Srinagar CRPF will took over the charge, and there are two routes for the Amarnath Yatra pilgrims. One is Baltal route, another is Pahalgam route. I am in the Jammu's Bhagwati Nagar base camp, where you can see the pilgrims are being moving from Jammu base camp towards the Baltal and the Pahalgam routes. Security has been tightened, and you can see there is a RFID card which has been put on these vehicles to track down. What we are also learning is that on Pahalgam route as well as on the Baltal routes, 10,000 pilgrims per day will be allowed to move for the holy cave. We are in the Jammu's Bhagwati Nagar base camp, where you can see the heavy deployment of the CRPF has been deployed over here. They are being equipped with the high-tech gadgets and the weapons. These are the men who are responsible for the security and the safety of the Amarnath Yatra pilgrims.